Hi guys and welcome back to Crypto News. I'm your host Chester and today I'm here to give you an update on Solana. Okay, this is going to be a fundamental and technical analysis update and we're going to be looking at some very important price predictions for this asset for the next 6 to 12 months or so. If you could drop a little like on the video, it will help us out tremendously. And if you are new to the channel, hit the subscribe button, notification bell on, and you're never going to miss one of our uploads here on Crypto News. Now, as you can see on the daily so far, Solana is currently up around at 2.8%, so it's green, it's bullish, okay? The volume is what's got my attention today, guys. The volume is up actually 14.96% here over the last 24 hours. That means it is the 6th most traded cryptocurrency asset in the world. That's super bullish, okay? Obviously, we saw Solana lacking after the FTX disaster there, but you can see this thing has recovered with a lot of potential, capitalizing on the meme space as well. This thing is absolutely amazing and has soared to new highs here. $68 billion market cap there. Crazy, crazy stuff. The 5th most valued cryptocurrency in the world at this time here, and that is just unbelievable in my opinion. So yeah, let's look at some price predictions. Let's look at the charts here for Solana and let's see what we're sort of working with. Currently trading at $146 a coin here. So let's have a little look at the chart. You can see here from we're just going to go from a macro perspective here just quickly, guys, because I want to talk to you about market structure. So you can see on the lower side here for Solana here, you can see the bear market low was back in December was it? December 2022. You can see the low was around $8. $8 for one coin. Crazy, crazy stuff. And from there, we have obviously seen higher lows get set here. The higher lows I'm referring to is $12, $17, and at the most recent one, $79 here. We haven't really set a more macro higher low than that just yet. Now, the reasoning is, guys, is because in order to set this higher low, the structure needs to be created. So you can see we do have highs being created here for Solana, significant pullback, but we actually haven't broke this high at all. Okay, so we haven't broke this high yet. So what this means is this is the low point. This is the unconfirmed higher low. When we break this high, that essentially means that we will now confirm this low. Okay, so this is the market structure point to be looking out for there. But basically, overall, if Solana does dump down here, just for whatever reason, and we do come down to $79, that essentially still means, guys, that we're bullish. We're still in a bullish market structure as long as we're above this zone overall. Okay, so just so you guys know that. Now let's look at some chart patterns, and let's look at Solana just in general. So you can see here that we do have a very, very clean, very obvious bull flag here at the top of this uptrend. Bull flag, they tend to usually mean continuation, guys. It usually means a continuation pattern to the upside, which is bullish. Okay, it's bullish. Bullish macro market structure here, and obviously bullish continuation chart pattern. Looking pretty good. The support on the lower side here is as shown here. Last time we tested this was this area when obviously dumped quite aggressively down to $111 back on the 4th of August here. So roughly 16 days ago from today. But from that point, we have seen a bit of bullish momentum. What I would like to see here is a bit more. Okay, I would like to see a bit more bullish momentum here for Solana, and I see us actually reclaim this high point again and even test the upside of this channel. That would be really nice for me, for us right now, because at the moment here on the micro, unfortunately, yes, macro is bullish, but unfortunately you can see we are still creating lows here, guys. We're testing lower highs here, but we are still creating lower lows here on the macro market structure here. The micro market structure. So that does tend to usually mean that we could see a bit more continuation to the downside here, which is fine. It's fine for it to do that here, but as long as we stay above 79, that's the main crucial macro point here. As I said, it would be nice if we headed up here and we could see a potential breakout. Now, the breakout is interesting from a macro perspective. We will get there, guys. It's sort of an inevitable. We will get there at some point. So we can essentially weigh up what it's going to look like when we do actually get there from a measure move perspective and sort of a target for this breakout scenario. Okay, so this is going to be the target, something along the lines of this. It's going to be quite aggressive. Okay, and it's going to be worth around 57% to the upside. Now, that is interesting because it's going to be putting the price of Solana up to around $292. a coin. That's pretty goddamn bullish in my opinion, okay? And if we are looking at that from just a price from now to there, it's actually going to be a 2x on your investment. That's money, baby. That's what we like to see. So the breakout scenario would be worth, as I said, 50, 56, 57%, and the sort of the price target for that, for us to be looking for that breakout, will be around 186. But we do need to be vigilant of volume-weighted ATR bands here. They will need to be tested, and ideally, if we see parabolic motion to the upside, this should flip these guys up to the upside as well. Like you can see here, when it does see us, when we do start to go parabolic, it does flip them to the upside, and then we can sort of grind along them. If they stay in